Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to book Lyft for someone else on the Lyft application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and verification code and you will be logged into your profile. Now from the home page, in order to book a Lyft for someone else, go ahead and enter your destination. Now within the start and the destination screen, you will see the change rider option at the top. Just click on the drop down menu and then click on add rider. You will now be allowed to send a link to any one of your riders. After choosing your rider, click on add this rider and then you can proceed with sending the invite link. Once you send this link, the receiver will be able to tap on the link right away and then join the ride immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to book a Lyft for someone else. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.